Hi, it's Hardreset, and today I'll show you how to use multi-window on INFINIX Note 60. So first, open some app, then go to background settings, background apps. Then if the app support multi-window, then right here you should have this icon. Click it. And right here, as you can see, you have the second window. You can move it around. You can resize it or just open normally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.